hydroxide with acid and the base. The acid we will use would be the oxalic acid and the base would be the sodium hydroxide. First of all, we have to adjust the burette with a clamp stand, and then we will pour oxalic acid into the burette. But there must be a precaution that the reading of the acid should not reach above the reading of 0. And after that, we will take a conical flask. We must make sure that conical flask should be washed. And after that, we will pour about 20 ml of sodium hydroxide in it. As we can see, it is colorless. To make it highlight, we will put phenolphthalein. We will put about 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein in it. As we can see, the solution has changed into the pink. Now, we will run the acid from the burette to the conical flask with the constant stirring. As we can see, the solution has become colorless again. Now we have to know the reading. The reading shows the volume the oxalic acid is used. We have to perform this activity at least 3 times. Thank you.